Hi Ahsan. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Is my voice clear?
Yes.
The moment you don't hear my voice, please tell me, okay?
Okay.
Last night, the class had difficulties to hear my voice. So I don't know. I hope it will be okay. uh, so, what did you do all day? What did you do all day? You went to school, right?
Yes.
So what did you do at school?
Study.
Study. I know you studied, but what did you study, Ahsan? English, math?
Japanese. Thematic.
Okay.
And terjemah.
And
Terjemah.
translation. Okay. There you go. Only 3 subjects.
Yes.
So what time did you go home?
One o'clock.
Oh. So school nowadays is not until 4 o'clock.
Yes.
Yeah. And then at 1, you went back home and played games. Oh, man. Where's Bintang, by the way? He's already joining us, but not online. Hang on a second. Let me check on WhatsApp. Alvin is having a family event there. It's okay, Alvin. Thank you for informing. Okay, hi Bintang. Bintang is finally on. Yay. What happened earlier? You were joining the Zoom like it keeps loading.
Yes.
Are you having bad connection too?
Yes, I think.
The same in my place. I don't know. Ahsan, how about you? Ahsan is lagging. Are you having bad connection?
No.
No, okay. Hang on a second. Let me turn off my WhatsApp. It's class now. Yeah. WhatsApp is ding 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 ding. Okay. So congratulations, everyone. You answered correctly. However, let me check if you really know the answers. Let's do some quiz. Are you ready to do a quiz? You're not ready for a quiz. This is Ahsan, this is Binta. Are you ready for a quiz? Learners, yes or no? Can you hear me, everyone?
Yes.
Are you ready for
Yes.
a quiz?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Let's check. Question number 1. This person is the boss on the ship. This person is the boss on the ship.
Captain.
Captain, thank you. Bintang strike 1. Bintang got 1 star. Ahsan, still no. Okay, ready? Question number 2. Ships can do this on the water.
Float.
Hey! And Ahsan be like, okay. Bintang 2, Ahsan nil. The next one. These people tried to steal other ships.
Pirates.
Way! Finally, Ahsan got 1. Yes. Okay, Bintang 2, Ahsan 1. The next one. If your ship has this, it will sink.
Holes. Holes.
Sorry, Bintang. Ahsan got it first. So it's 2-2 now. Draw. It's a draw. Okay, the last question. Are you ready? This is the tallest part of the ship.
Mast.
Ay! Oh no, Ahsan, I'm so sorry. Bintang is the it's a must. Okay, or a mast. Up to you. You can say must or a mast. Okay, so today we are going to talk about global warming. Do you know what global warming is?
Yes.
Where can you see the global warming, or what is the example of global warming that you know?
The temperature is warming.
The temperature is not only warmer, but it's hotter nowadays. The temperature is hotter. Ahsan was right. Anything else? Because the temperature, ugh, because the temperature is hotter, what happened? Especially in the North Poles and in the South Poles, South Pole and North Pole. What do you think happened to the ice?
Ice melts.
The ice melts. Because the ice melts, what happened to the sea?
The sea is rising.
The sea is rising. So when the sea level used to be this high, now the sea level is this high. Shh. Okay. And what happened to the land because the sea level is higher? This is sea, this is land. Now the sea is higher. What happened to the land? Is the land going to be fine because the sea is higher? Hassan already did this. Ding, 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 ding. So what happened?
Tsunami.
Tsunami? Almost. Tsunami doesn't happen because of global warming. Another one, Bintang.
Not
Wave.
much.
What is it? Sorry, one by one.
Waves.
Submerged.
Waves? No. Ahsan?
Submerged.
Pardon, Ahsan, what is it?
Submerged.
Almost. Submerge is, this is the land. Submerge is going down by itself. But this is not submerging. It starts with F. FL.
Float.
Yay! There you go. There are floods everywhere because the sea level is higher. Please tell me, have you ever had floods in your house? Yes, for Ahsan. What Bintang? Never? You never had floods?
Yes, I think never.
There you go. If you ask your parents, maybe years ago, or I don't know, 7 years ago, maybe your houses don't have floods, didn't have floods, sorry. But now you see floods in your house, at your house. So, yeah, because of the global warming. How about the animals, though? Do you think the animals get something because of the global warming?
What?
The animals? Do you think the animals get something because of the global warming? Like something happened to them?
Hot.
Flood too? What is flood?
Hot.
Oh, hot. Other than being hot, just like human. I mean, fish, they live in the sea. Do they feel hot? No. Oh, you can Google, by the way. What happened to the fish because of the global warming? Be a researcher. What happens to the fish because of the global warming? Did something happen to them?
Yes.
What happened, Bintang?
Change fish body size and fish distribution.
There you go. The fish size is changing. Maybe fish used to be this big, but now because of global warming, it's this big only. Okay. Imagine that. Because of global warming, we may get shorter. Do you want to be shorter and smaller? So what can we do to stop global warming then? So the earth is not getting hotter. What can we do? Can we stop global warming by, say, eating a lot of ice cream? Wait. Oh, I would do that. Eating a lot of ice.
Reduce CO2 emission.
Reduce CO2 emission. How do we do that, Ahsan? How can we reduce CO2? Do you know what causes CO2?
Factory smoke.
From smoke. So how can we reduce smoke? Especially from cars, motorcycles, factories. What do you think we
Use
can do?
electricity.
Use electricity,
Yeah.
for example?
Um, Electric car.
Electric car. Got it. What else?
Electric bicycle.
Cycle.
Bicycle. You can also use bicycle. What is it, Bintang? Sorry.
Use bicycle.
Use bicycle. There you go. And the best one is this.
Walking.
Walking. Got it. So instead of using bicycle, using electric car, the best one is walking. Ooh, tell me one thing. Do you walk to school or do you bike to school? Which one? No, Miss Tati. I ride a motorcycle to school. See, Asan rides a motorcycle to school. How about you, Bintang?
Motorcycle too.
Oh, motorcycle too. Oh, how far is your home from school? 5 minutes or 10 minutes?
1 minute.
1 minute,
One, two,
Asan.
two, two.
2 minutes. Ride a bike. Don't you have a bike with you?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Why don't you ride a bike to school?
I I don't like it.
Lazy. You said you want to help to reduce CO2. How about you, Bintang? How far is your home from school?
I think 5 minutes.
About 5 minutes. Can you ride a bike? Bintang, can you ride a bike to school?
Yes,
Yeah, so why don't you ride a bike to school?
because my mom don't
Allow me?
allow me to use a bike to school.
I see, because your mom doesn't allow you. Huh? Tash? What? This is already the 8th session? I'm confused. Let's try then. Okay, so let me wait. Good evening, Tasha. Hi, Tasha. Are you joining the class? But wait, you were absent for the past 7 sessions. Kan ini udah pertemuan ke berapa? Ke-8. Tasya absen yang 7 kali loh. Did you really join the class? Beneran ikut kelas yang ini? Tasya, can you hear me?
Yes, Miss.
Kok absen 7 kali pertemuan, kenapa? So, I thought Tasya didn't join this class. Nanti kira Tasya nggak ikut kelasnya yang sekarang ini. So, I never asked about it. Okay, so Ahsan and Bintang, let's continue then. Tasya, you too, please open your student book to page to find global warming in your book. Okay, it should be there. What page is it?
65.
65. Okay, thank you, Ahsan. 65. There you go. Oh, by the way, Tasha, seriously, next session we are going to have the chapter test. Selasa depan kita udah chapter test 6. Tasha baru hadir hari ini. So I was like, what? You missed a lot of things. Okay, let's read this. I'm going to split this into 3. Can you hear my voice, everyone? Yep. Okay.
Yes,
So the first reader is Until Jamaica. Oh no, sorry. Change. The first reader is Until In It. Second reader is Until Ocean. The third reader is Until the End. Who wants to read the blue part? Learners, can you hear me? Mr. T khawatir nih, soalnya mikrofonnya lagi nggak benar. So I keep asking, can you hear me? Makanya bolak-balik nanya, can you hear me? Who wants to read the blue part, everyone?
Bintang.
Bintang. Bintang will read Until In It. Only about Until Ocean. Who wants to read that?
Sun.
Sun. So Tasha is going to read the ice until melting. Okay. Go on, Bintang.
Icebergs are floating islands made of ice. Most are found in the North Atlantic Ocean and Antarctica. They are very dangerous for ships. An iceberg can be as small as a car or as big as a country like Jamaica. Even small icebergs are very heavy and can destroy a ship or make a big hole in it.
Thank you, Bintang. Well done.
Only about 15% of an iceberg can be seen above the water. Most of it is below the ocean. Since the Titanic sank, the position of iceberg is now shown on maps, and the North Atlantic Ocean is much safer for ships. An iceberg is made of snow, so it is fresh water, not salt water like the ocean.
Thank you, Asan. Well done. Tasha.
The ice melts and makes balls of water on top of the iceberg, and birds and other creatures and can drink this. Some animals and birds like polar bear, penguin, and seals make their homes and around icebergs.
Tasha, go on. Wendy. Tasha, you can continue. Wendy.
When they fall toward farmer water, icebergs start to melt. The planet is getting warmer, so more icebergs are melting.
Thank you, Tasha. There you go. Warmer. The planet is getting warmer. I would say hotter instead of warmer. So, there you go. See, my voice is so low. Is it still low, everyone? Let me join with another gadget. So, hang on. Recording in progress. Guys, is my voice clear enough now?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So I'm using two different gadgets. I hope it's fine with you. Everyone, can you find me a picture of an iceberg? So we need to see that they say an iceberg can be small, but it can also be big. Please find me a picture of a small iceberg and a big iceberg. Oh, Bintang is very quick. Ah, nice one. Thank you, Bintang. Can you click this one? This one.
Check this one out, everyone. This is how an iceberg look. Which one is bigger? Above the water or under the water?
under the water.
Under the water, right? So when the Titanic hit the iceberg, is it the one under the water or above the water? What do you think? Did the Titanic hit the iceberg above the water or under the water?
Above.
Above? It actually hit the one under the water. Can you imagine this? So this is the Titanic. I'm going to draw the Titanic. Tring. See? Which one hit the Titanic?
Under.
This. Yeah, this one, not this one. Okay. Okay. So that's the iceberg. Now let's take a look at your book again, everybody. We have true or false. This is so easy. And we have 6 numbers. Who wants to do number 2?
Ahsan.
Asan will do number 2. Number 3? Oh, we'll discuss later after Asan read and answer number 2. Go on, Asan. Can you please read and answer number 2?
Most of the iceberg is above the water. False.
False. We just saw the picture. Most of the iceberg is under the water. Go on, Asan. You can type F there. How about number 3? Bintang or Tasha? Okay. Oh, Asan will choose then. Asan, Bintang or Tasha?
Bintang.
Bintang. Go on, Bintang, please. Read number 3.
Icebergs are shown on maps. Uh, I think
True.
it's true.
You think it's true? It is true. Thank you. There you go. If you take a look at this, you can find it here. Where is it? There you go. Icebergs. Position of icebergs is now shown on maps. Okay, so Bintang is right. It is true. Please type T there, Bintang. Tasha, please read number 4 and answer.
Icebergs are made of salt water. True.
True. Are icebergs made of salt water or from snow?
False.
False. Icebergs are made of snow. When you lick snow, imagine that you can lick snow. Bayangkan kalau kalian bisa menjilat salju. Is it salty or not? No, it's not salty. So icebergs are not made of salt water. False. Tasha, please type F there. Number 5. Tasha, your choice, Bintang or Ahsan?
Ahsan.
Ahsan. Go on, Ahsan.
Some animals live on icebergs. True.
True. Some animals live on iceberg. I have an extra question. Ahsan gets to choose Bintang or Tasha. Ahsan, please choose one person, Bintang or Tasha.
Bintang.
Bintang. Okay. Bintang, what animals live on icebergs?
Penguin,
Penguins. What else?
polar bear,
Polar bears. Okay, so we have penguins, polar bears, hares, and other animals. Tasha, please do number 6.
Icebergs melt when the water is very cold. False.
False. Because icebergs melt when
Warmer.
the
Warmer.
when the water is warmer. Thank you. When the water is warmer. So false. FF. Tasha? Oh, okay. Got it. There you go. So this is what we're going to do for the after Zoom activity. Okay. If you take a look at my paper here, hang on a second. Let me share my screen. There you go. What does global warming mean? We already discussed about it. What does global warming mean, everyone? Asan said when the world is going global warming, what is it? When the world is going
too hot,
hotter, warmer, there you go. So what happens? What happens when the world is getting warmer? First of all, the ice. What happened to the ice?
melt,
The ice melts. Because the ice melts, what's happened to the sea? What happens to the sea? This is the sea, and then the ice melt.
tall,
The sea level
up,
is going up. Got it. When the sea level is going up, what happened to the land?